Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how accurate Credit Karma is compared to FICO scores. The scores you see on Credit Karma are based on the VantageScore model, not the FICO score that most lenders use. While both scores range from 300 to 850 and use similar information like payment history and credit utilization, they have key differences. VantageScore and FICO weigh credit factors differently. For example, VantageScore can be more lenient for people with a shorter credit history, as it only requires 1 month of history to generate a score, whereas FICO requires at least 6 months. This can sometimes result in your VantageScore being higher than your FICO score. Credit Karma scores also come from 2 of the 3 major credit bureaus, TransUnion and Equifax, but not Experian. A FICO score can be pulled from any of the 3. This can lead to your Credit Karma score being different from what a lender sees. While your scores on Credit Karma may not be the exact score a lender uses, it's still a very useful tool. It gives you a great way to monitor your credit health, track changes over time, and look for any potential issues on your reports. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.